Updating your payout destination on Spotify is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Spotify account. Visit the Spotify for Artists website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the right account that manages your payouts. Step 2. Navigate to payout settings. Once logged in, go to the settings or account section. Look for the option labeled payout or payment settings to access your current payout information. Step 3. Update your payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Verify your changes. After entering the new payout information, review it carefully for accuracy. Ensure that all details are correct to avoid any issues with future payments. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. Once you are satisfied with the updated information, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification from Spotify indicating that your payout destination has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on Spotify. Make sure to keep your information current to ensure smooth transactions in the future.